I am Dr. Rashmi Erajan, Associate Professor in Department of Commerce, Kumaraguru College of Liberal Arts and Science. Company meetings. Welcome to Unit 5, where we explore the structure, purpose and protocols of company meetings. Meetings are a cornerstone of corporate governance, providing a formal platform for decision making, reporting and communication. In this unit, we will cover various types of meetings including board meetings, statutory meetings and annual general meetings AGM and extraordinary general meetings EGM. We will also examine the role of the company secretary in preparing for conducting and documenting these meetings. Essential documents such as notices, agendas and minutes will be discussed, highlighting their importance in maintaining transparent and effective corporate communication. This unit provides a comprehensive view of meeting protocols, reinforcing the role of meetings in organizational integrity. Kinds of company meetings. There are 4 primary types of company meetings, each serving unique functions. Board of Directors meeting are held periodically for strategic decision making and policy review. Statutory meetings are mandatory for newly incorporated companies, providing initial updates to shareholders. The annual general meeting is a yearly gathering where shareholders review financial performance, elect directors and discuss future plans. Extraordinary general meetings are called as needed to address urgent matters that cannot wait for the AGM. Each type of meeting plays a critical role in ensuring that the company remains accountable, transparent and aligned with its goals. Board of Directors meeting, purpose and frequency. Board of Directors meeting are essential for setting company direction and making high-level strategic decisions. These meetings are held periodically or monthly, quarterly or as needed to review progress, approve budgets and make key decisions on corporate governance. They provide an opportunity for directors to align on company goals, evaluate risk and discuss new initiatives. By meeting regularly, the board ensures that the company remains acceptable to market changes and is progressing towards its objectives. The purpose of these meetings is to create an unified approach to decision making, reinforcing the company's vision and commitment to stakeholders. Board of Directors meeting, the requirements. For a Board of Directors meeting to be valid, specific requirements must be met. A quorum, the minimum number of directors required to proceed, is essential to ensure fair representation. The agenda, a list of topics, must be prepared in advance to guide discussions. Directors are expected to fulfill their roles by contributing insights, voting on resolutions and ensuring compliance with the agenda. Each director's active participation is vital as it ensures that decisions are balanced, well informed and aligned with the company's best interest. These requirements support structured and effective governance within the board. Statutory meeting. The definition and timing initial meetings for new companies. A statutory meeting is the first official meeting held by a newly incorporated company within a specified period, typically 6 months after incorporation. This meeting is mandated by law to provide shareholders with a formal update on the company's establishment and financial status. The purpose is to review the company's early development, share key financial information and discuss future directions. By holding this meeting, the company demonstrates transparency to shareholders and aligns them with the company's foundational goals. This initial meeting sets a tone of openness and accountability for the company's journey ahead. Statutory meeting, the purpose and formation and the initial status. The primary purpose of the statutory meeting is to inform shareholders about the progress made since the company's formation. The board presents reports on share allocations, expenses incurred and any provincial plans for development. This transparency enables shareholders to assess the company's foundation and financial position. By discussing these details openly, the company builds trust and allows shareholders to provide feedback. This meeting marks the beginning of the company's journey, establishing a culture of accountability and cooperation that will guide its future operations. Annual General Meeting, Purpose and Requirements. Reviewing of Annual Performance Meeting. An Annual General Meeting or AGM is a yearly requirement for all companies. Its purpose is to review and discuss the company's financial performance, provide an update on key business activities and allow shareholders to participate in significant decisions. During the AGM, shareholders vote on the re-election of directors, review financial statements and consider the auditor's report. This annual requirement ensures that the company remains transparent, allowing shareholders to stay informed and engaged in the company's governance. The AGM is a cornerstone of accountability, providing a formal venue for shareholder participation and oversight. Annual General Meeting, the items that will be included for the agenda. The agenda for an annual general meeting includes several key items that ensure comprehensive oversight. Shareholders vote on the election or re-election of directors, enabling them to influence leadership. Financial statements are reviewed, giving shareholders insight into the company's financial health and performance over the past years. The auditor's report is also presented, providing an independent assessment of the company's accounts and compliance with regulatory standards. By covering these critical topics, the AGM promotes transparency and fosters shareholder confidence, supporting informed decisions that guide the company's directions. Extraordinary General Meeting. Purpose and topics: urgent matters requiring the immediate attention. An extraordinary general meeting or EGM is convened for urgent matters that arise between the AGMs and cannot be delayed. Topics typically include major financial decisions, mergers and amendments to company bylaws. EGMs provide flexibility, allowing the company to address critical issues in a timely manner and adapt to unforeseen challenges. This type of meeting ensures that the company remains agile, capable of responding promptly to internal or external developments that require immediate shareholder approval. By addressing urgent matters efficiently, EGMs contribute to company's stability and responsiveness. Duties of Company Secretary pre-meeting. Preparing the agenda and notices before any company meeting, the company secretary has critical responsibilities to ensure the meeting runs smoothly. They prepare the agenda, which outlines the topics to be discussed, ensuring it aligns with the meeting's purpose. Notices are then drafted and distributed to all participants, including the date, time, location and agenda details in compliance with legal requirements. Additionally, the secretary arranges logistics, including securing the venue and organizing materials. These pre-meetings duties are essential for providing participants with clarity and preparing them to engage efficiently in discussions, supporting the meeting's overall success. Duties of a company secretary during the meeting. During the meeting, the company secretary plays a supportive role to ensure smooth procedures. They assist the chairperson by providing necessary documents, guiding on procedural rules and ensuring the agenda is followed. The secretary is also responsible for recording minutes, capturing the key points of discussions, decisions made and any actions assigned. Their presence ensures that the meeting remains compliant with legal requirements and that decisions are documented accurately. This role is vital for maintaining order, transparency and accountability during corporate discussions. Drafting correspondence related to meetings. Types of correspondence. It includes notices, agendas and resolutions. The company secretary is responsible for drafting various types of meetings related to correspondence. Notices inform participants of the meeting's details, while agendas outline the topics for discussion. After the meeting, minutes and resolutions are prepared, documenting decisions and agreements made. Each document serves a specific purpose in guiding, structuring and recording the meeting's proceedings. Accurate and timely correspondence is essential for clear communication, helping participants understand their roles and responsibilities and ensuring that decisions are formalized and recorded. Drafting correspondence. Secretary's roles. Ensuring accuracy and timely distribution. The company secretary's role in drafting correspondence is crucial, as it requires precision and timeliness. They must ensure that notices, agendas and minutes are accurate and distributed to relevant parties within the required time frames. This attention to detail is vital for preventing misunderstandings and keeping all participants informed. By fulfilling this role diligently, the company secretary supports structured communication and efficient decision making. Their contribution in managing correspondence is key to upholding the company's organizational integrity and compliance. Notice, content and legal requirements. Notices are essential documents that inform stakeholders for upcoming meetings. They must include the date, time, location and purpose of the meeting to provide participants with clear details. Legal requirements dictate that notices are distributed within a specified time frame, allowing participants adequate time to prepare. Additionally, notices must be sent to all relevant parties to ensure full participation. By adhering to these requirements, the company ensures transparency, enabling stakeholders to participate effectively and fostering an inclusive decision-making process. Agenda. Definition and common items. An agenda is a structured list of topics to be discussed during a meeting, designed to keep discussions focused and productive. Common agenda items include the approvals of previous minutes, financial updates and new business discussions. By establishing a clear agenda, the company secretary helps participants stay on track and ensures that important topics are covered in a timely manner. The agenda is a roadmap for the meeting, providing structure and direction to discussions, supporting efficient decision making and ensuring that all key issues are addressed. Chairman's speech. Role of speech and secretary's assistance. The chairman's speech sets the tone and purpose of the meeting, often addressing the company's current status and key issues on the agenda. This speech provides an overview, guiding participants' focus and encouraging productive discussions. The company secretary may assist by drafting or reviewing the speech, ensuring clarity and alignment with the meeting's objectives. By supporting the chairman, the secretary helps convey a clear, organized message which is crucial for establishing a productive atmosphere and preparing participants for informed discussions. Writing of minutes. Importance and content of minutes. Minutes are an official record of the discussions and decisions made during a meeting. They include essential details such as date, time, attendees, summary of the decisions and action points. The company secretary's responsibility is to ensure that the minutes are comprehensive, accurate and comply with legal standards. This document serves as a reference for future decisions, providing transparency and accountability. Accurate minutes are a critical part of corporate governance, reinforcing the company's commitment to organized and responsible decision making. Summary, recap. In summary, we have covered the different types of company meetings, including board, statutory, AGM and EGM, each serving unique purposes. We discussed the critical duties of a company secretary, from preparing notices and agendas to assisting during meetings and drafting minutes. Finally, we reviewed essential documents such as notices, agendas and minutes which support transparency and accountability. Understanding these elements is essential for maintaining effective corporate communication and ensuring that meetings serve purpose in upholding corporate governance. Assessment. Having explored the fundamental responsibilities of a company secretary in company meetings, including duties before, during and after meeting, as well as the secretary's role in drafting and managing correspondence, it's time to evaluate your understanding with an assessment. This assessment includes 10 multiple choice questions designed to reinforce the key concept covered in Unit 5. The question will address essential topics like types of meetings, the secretary's role in preparing notices and agendas, and the importance of minutes. Each question provides 4 options, enabling you to select the answer that best represents your knowledge. Take your time with each question, as this is an excellent opportunity to affirm your grasp of the integral functions of a company secretary in corporate meetings and governance practice. Thank you.